I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, all you could see is that these are very beautiful and easy and creative design ideas that are specifically designed for white, off-white kurtas, kurtis, or even you can also design your baby girl dresses like frock or any type of other baby girl dress material. Because white is the coolest color, decent and elegancy is ensured when the wearer wears this color. So different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidery along with the very basic, easy and creative, user-friendly, beginner-friendly hand embroidery design patterns have been shared with you. And guys, do try these patterns to give a more beautiful, exquisite and eye-catchy look. Exactly use the color combination of threads that is being shown to you onto your screen right now, and different stylized pattern ranging from long neckline, bot neck, v-neck, yoke style embroidery, or any other bunch or motif style floral embroidery patterns have been shared. All we need is your love, support, and keep watching our content, keep loving us as you always have been, and keep subscribing us, keep liking us, keep leaving comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you want me to share with you in my new and upcoming videos. So the video that I am sharing today is a treat, is multi-dimensional, that is different type of yoke embroidery styles that are equally designed and favorable for baby girls and kids dresses, unique and decent elegant designs that are absolutely favorable for teenagers, school going, office going, university going girls, and decent and elegancy of these design patterns make them creative and favorable for elder age women as well. So they are breathable, lightweight and comfortable and beginner friendly. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. See you soon and stay tuned for new upcoming videos on my channel. Up till then, take care.